This is the Tessa electric fireplace. With influences stemming from the arts and craft design movement, the Tessa blends strong, simple forms with a rich amaretto finish to create a robust fireplace that complements any decor. Distinctive design features such as the fluted pilasters, arched header, and a stepped hearth complete the arts and craft look. All Dimplex fireplaces feature the world's most realistic electric flame effect, which sets them apart from all others. The lifelike flame is activated by the simple on-off remote control. An on-demand heater featuring thermostat control automatically warms the room up to 400 square feet. The flame can operate without the heat, making it possible and economical to enjoy the ambiance of a fireplace 365 days of the year. This is the Tessa electric fireplace.